Hey, this screencast is going to show you how to copy over meals from one day to another day. So there's a couple of ways to do it. One, you can copy an entire day. So if you go up here at the top, the three little dots on the right-hand side, you can just hit that and just say copy current day. And then you can go into the next day, and then you can go and select paste, and it will paste the entire day previously. So that's a really easy way for you to copy over an entire day, especially if you're planning on eating the same things. But if you want to just look at one meal, then we can do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of meal one. So the way you basically can delete things in a group is if you have your log separated into groups, just swipe over till the little blue cog wheel shows up, hit the cog wheel, and then just say delete. And then I'm going to go over to the previous day, and all I'm going to do now, like I say, I'm going to copy my breakfast. I'm going to swipe over, I'm going to hit the cog wheel, I'm going to say copy, and then I'm going to go in here to the next day and hit paste. Now, there's a faster way to do this. Let's just say you eat the same breakfast every day. So what I would do is I would create a recipe from the group. So let's just say this is your same breakfast that you eat every day. You eat the same amounts, the same types of foods. Then what I would do is I would go into create a recipe from the group. I would just simply swipe over. I would hit the cog wheel and I would say create recipe from group. And what I'm going to call this, this is my egg white oats, my banana and blueberry egg white oats. So I'm just going to put that in here. Okay. And then I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hit next, 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 and then save the recipe. Okay. So now if I want to go and put it on another day, I'll just log it as a custom food. So it'll be in custom. It'll be here at the bottom. There we go. And then one full recipe. And then I'll hit add, and there it is. And if I want to, let's just say, for instance, maybe I changed an ingredient or I used more or less, I can expand this out. So I can click on this and then actually, here we go. Yeah. So here we go. Explode recipe. So what I did was instead of on the meal group, on the actual recipe, I swiped over. I hit the little blue cogwheel here and I hit explode recipe. And then it brings out everything that is under that recipe and I can change the amounts. Let's just say I used more peanut butter this day, then I can change that amount without having to go in and adjust the entire recipe. Okay? So the main ways to copy over things is to either copy over an entire day. So by going up here to the three dots and copy current day, or going under a group, copying the entire group by swiping over on the group and copying that, or just creating a recipe from the group, especially if it's the same type of foods and things that you eat very frequently, you can create a recipe from group. That way you only have to log it as a single item as opposed to logging each individual thing. And then you can always go and explode the recipe and log individual items if you want to. Okay. So again, here we go. And then if I want to explode the recipe, I can do that. Okay. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.